Boxing, man, that play got a neck injury. Forget about it. They're going to get killed Monday, Sunday. Absolutely killed.
We better eat early, Chris.
Yeah. I think they're on 1 o'clock, right?
Yeah. I'm going to leave at the end of the game. I'm going to go to Mickey's.
Yeah.
See that little monkey.
Maybe at the evening you lost the first half.
Yeah.
Say, wait a minute, let me get out of here.
Either they're going to play him tough and surprise him, or they're going to get blown out.
I think they're going to get blown out.
They scored 57 on, what was it, the Texans? Who?
Vikings.
The Vikings, yeah.
Vikings
Hanging
15.
57.
And the first quarter was close.
Yeah.
And then it just fell apart.
They got
So they have the
two
Eagles
receivers, yeah.
twice.
Yeah.
They got
Dallas
the Skins,
once.
Yeah.
the Vikings, and the Colts.
Oh, we get the Vikings too?
Yeah, at
Minnesota.
At Minnesota.
Great. Well, maybe we could win. If we're going to win any games, I think we could win the Commander game, the Colt game, and the Viking game.
Well, we already tied with the Commanders.
Yeah, we should have won that one.
No. Commanders.
He's losing.
Well, look,
the game.
if they win, say, let's play the worst scenario, Paul. Say they win 1 game.
Yeah.
That means they win 8 games and a tie.
Right.
Now, you compare that to the previous 4 or 5 years, the other coach they had,
Right.
complete disaster. Like and the other guy they traded, what the hell was his name, Tony? He's not even playing.
I know.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Why?
It's a bump.
The GM engineered that trade for them?
Yeah.
It was like a heist. You got a number 3 and a number 6
Right.
for a guy that don't even play.
I know.
Holy
He's
shit.
got great potential.
How do you sell that one? I don't know.
Ridiculous.
I'm glad we got rid of him. It was a good move.
So what I think, what he's doing, or planning, conjecture on my part, but what I think he's trying to get extra draft picks, which he did already.
Yeah.
And who the hell knows what else he's got in the cooking in the fire. And he can pick halfway decent in the draft, the pecking order, according to their records where they wind up, you know?
Yeah.
And have smart picks, not like what this Gelman was
Yeah,
doing.
that's what I think. These guys are going to pick solid guys. You know,
I think so too.
Good guys.
Then what can he do with this guy, Galladay, the receiver? I think he's stuck for another year after this guy.
He is.
After this year,
Yeah,
right?
there's at least.
Howdy, boys.
This guy's making 19 million.
Howdy,
This
creators.
guy can't even catch a pass.
You know what?
Howdy,
They're
master
better off
designers.
just fighting the bullet and getting rid of him.
Look
What are
what's
you gonna
back.
have This guy hanging around, and take
We
the
should have
captain.
pay him.
I know, but at least you
But
get rid of
that's the
a
predicament
roster
he's
spot.
in.
Yeah.
You know him?
That's why he got rid of Bradbury.
You love him from
Bradbury
season
was
2 of
$14
Dragon Ball
million.
Super.
Yeah.
He didn't want to trade that guy, but he had no choice.
You know, imagine if we had him this year. We would have been really good back there.
Absolutely strapped.
And would you check that out?
Well,
Look what he's fused with.
I think we need. I don't know what they're going to. I think they're going to go after receivers, but we also need linemen too, and we need little.
Everyone's favorite magic margin.
Well, Lyman, Paul, see the left tackle, he's rated one of the best tackles in the league.
Yeah.
But it took him a year and a half to do
Tonight's
that.
we're going to draw the fusion
And the right
I think
tackle,
the
too.
same thing
Yeah,
with the
he's gonna
right
be good.
tackle, right?
Yeah,
Now,
he's solid.
okay.
of
so
Majin Buu.
The
and
Giants,
the-
they drafted 2 guys, 2 linemen from North Carolina.
Oh yeah, I forgot about those guys.
No, I didn't forget.
And the android and the machine,
Mizzou,
like
whatever his name is, he's hurt.
Great.
And the other guy,
creature
he
that
played with for
looks a
4
lot
years,
like
he's
Hit,
340 pounds, this guy.
og73.
He got hurt early on.
Well,
but
I
he
thought
was
his
out for the
name
whole
was
season.
just 73.
Then this
Turns
guy
out his
Lemieux
actual
was
name is
fucking Polish guy.
og73.
I don't know what the thing is.
Lemieux.
I had no
I
idea
don't know
that
about
was even
him.
possible.
So then you got
I had no
Gates.
idea that was his
Gates is
actual
gonna
name.
come back with maybe 5 or 6 games under his belt. That guy was good.
Yeah.
I remember when he was started to the coaches started playing him. I still remember his name, 65. He played tackle, he played guard, and when he went in there, I didn't watch where the ball was, I was watching him. He held his own. And he could play multiple positions. He was their center before he played guard, tackle, and
I
center.
remember. So maybe
That's,
he gets one of the slots.
That's Deal.
Who?
Yeah.
Deal.
Yeah.
Neil.
Deal. Deal played all three positions.
Yeah, I know.
You need a guy like that.
Agreed.
So
Whatever
he
that
may
is.
have, and even if he wanted to go with a lineman, if the guy was available and the guy, hey, if this guy's good, pass up, grab him. But he's gonna go with heavy receivers, I think.
Oh, we need him. If you look at the Eagles, they got Waddle. They got the guy from Alabama.
Brown, they got a guy named Brown, I think.
Smith. Oh, Waddle's with Miami. But they got Smith and they got someone. They got two top.
There we are.
receivers.
That is how you draw
Well, we lost Robinson.
og73 and Majin Buu fused.
You know, that underneath
I've been
guy.
taking a liking to this guy. Hopefully, I'll get a chance to meet him again, and he'll be considered one of the good guys, just like Majin Buu.
Is the only thing close to
I see him as a good
receiver
guy.
we
I
have.
know, right.
Everyone else in practice
You guys
squad.
see him as a
They're at
good
tremendous
wrestler?
disadvantage. That's why I think they're gonna get both.
Be sure to tell me about it on the comments below.
Well, the
And
defense
check out
has to
the
be on the field
Dragon
all
Ball
the time.
playlist.
They're gonna start getting
There he is,
tired, and
everyone.
they're gonna
That's
start
all for
making
now.
plays.
Stegosaurus, see you later.
Throw 'em
Farewell
around
and good
and
night.
over 'em.